Uma. So, Roel, I just want to ask, how do you define love?
Love.
Naswitchless.
Bira, may pakinig. Love is something indescribable.
Oh.
It's something that you felt naturally. Diba? Kasi kung mahal mo or may...
Kinikilig siya.
But, diba, it's something na may love sa isang tao. Ano siya, mukhang di mo siya kusang, di mo siya may explain, di ba? Unexplainable na, indescribable. Basta kusa lang siyang ma-feel mo.
Kusa mong nararamdaman.
Kusa mong nararamdaman. Yun na yun, di ba? It comes out naturally.
So, are you in love? Of course naman, alam naman natin, no? But we just need to hear it again from him. Are you in love?
Obviously.
Until now, sana in love. Until now, sana all know, sana all in love, okay? Yes, we all know na he's in love because he's having a relationship with
Rachel.
Yes, okay. And then, since you are like, let's talk about the woman that you are loving right now. Why did you choose her? Diba? May mga ganun sexy na. Yes.
Yeah. Are you fan of watching Rochel's career?
Napanood ko lang yung vlogs niya, yung daily vlogs niya.
So Rachel is one of my ideal girl that
Kinikilig na yung mga Rachel na yan. Ay!
Yeah. Sige, I simply describe Rachel as a simple girl. She's just a simple girl. But aside from the simple girl, something that I really she's just a simple girl. But aside from the simple girl, something that I really admire here is his dedication.
Aww.
Yeah, because aside from being a breadwinner of her family, she's very responsible. She's very responsible amidst of her mother passed away 3 years ago. So
I saw her. I know her story.
So she's very responsible, and aside from that, aside from being family oriented, for me, honestly, she's very kind. Lahat ng mga positive na mga attributes sa isang babae, talagang nakikita ko sa kanya. Siguro bonus lang na maganda siya. Diba?
She's really beautiful. You know what, when my mom saw her for the first time, mom was taking picture and she said like, so, ay, guwapa bata. And I was like, yeah, she's really beautiful. Yung natural na no, parang wala nang hindi naka-effort. How to be you po? Paki-comment. Nang sa ganun ay makakahanap din po tayo ng Roel of Malalas. Okay. Let's try to
okay lang,
while walking. Alright, okay. So, Roel, ano namang masasabi mo na it can't be denied that there are some people questioning about your relationship with her?